Dear students of BSc Part 2 and respected listener, a very good morning. I welcome all of you to today's lecture. Dear students, I will deliver today the lecture on the efficiency of Carnot cycle, which is taken from BSc Part 2, Paper 3 Physical Chemistry, chosen from Unit 2nd as Thermodynamic 2. The efficiency of Carnot cycle. First of all, I bring to draw your kind immediate notice and focus on our previous lecture of Carnot cycle, which is formed by 4 process or steps, in which in the cyclic process in the Carnot cycle, the necessarily diagram for Carnot cycle I have mentioned on the blackboard here. Dear students of BSc Part 2, A to B is known as isothermal expansion, B to C is known as adiabatic expansion, C to D is known as isothermal compression, D to A is known as that is of adiabatic compression. And whole network in our previous lecture, dear students, we have calculated and we have also established the quantitative relationship between V2 upon V1 and V3 upon V4, both are very equal here. And after the various discussion fundamental postulates regarding Carnot cycle, necessary terminology, dear students, we calculate the equation number 18, in which eta, which is known as that is of heat efficiency of Carnot cycle, eta is equal to W upon plus W1. This one further is equal to W upon Q2, Q2 minus Q1 upon Q2 further is equal to T2 minus T1 upon T2, and is symbolized by, marked by first one term, second one term, third one term, and that is of fourth one term. Dear students, we are going to define the efficiency of Carnot cycle today. Let us pick from that is the fourth term of equation number 18 here. Try to understand firstly here we are going to define the efficiency of Carnot cycle or Carnot engine. T2 minus T1 upon T2 is less than 1. You know T2 minus T1, this fourth term is further is equal to that is of second term. W upon Q2 is less than 1. Replace T2 minus T1 upon T2 by W upon Q2. On solving, W is less than that is of Q2. Dear students, on the behalf of equation number 19, the amazing outstanding result regarding to the efficiency of Carnot cycle we define here. The theoretical define, I would like to define the efficiency of Carnot cycle theoretically when any heat engine is connected with that is of heat source to absorb that is of plus Q2 heat and is performed work symbolized by W, and rest heat is now transferred to that is of minus Q1 to the sink. The essential term is known as that is of efficiency of Carnot engine or heat engine. Once again, any heat engine is connected to that is of heat source plus Q2 heat is absorbed by that is of heat engine. Work is performed by that is of heat engine symbolized by that is of plus W1. After performing of the work, rest heat is now transferred to the sink. The essential steps involved or in overall this theory is known as Carnot engine and symbolized by that is of eta. Another one, the mathematical definition we define here, that is from, it is evident from equation number 18, when heat engine is connected with that is of heat source, work is performed by W and heat absorbed by that is of Q2. If absorbed heat Q2 to divide, work is performed by the heat engine. The mathematical ratio of W upon Q2 is also known as the efficiency of Carnot engine is symbolized by eta. Once again, when heat engine is connected to heat source to absorb plus Q2 heat and work is performed by that is of a heat engine is W, and this W work is now divided by that is of Q2. The ratio of W and Q2 is known as that is of efficiency of Carnot engine, symbolized by that is of eta. The various result of Carnot engine, let us summarize in that is of various serial wise form. First one, from let us pick T2 minus T1 upon T2, higher the difference of T1 and T2, the value of eta passes is higher. I mean to say, the difference of T2 and T1, higher the value of T2 and T1 to passes is higher value of efficiency of Carnot engine. Next one, that is, it is evident the efficiency of the universe cannot be expressed, may not be expressed as that is of unity 100%. It is always less than that is of unity here. It is always less than that is of 100% here. Less than that is of 100%. Theoretical diagram I have also mentioned on the blackboard here. Heat engine is connected, heat source plus to absorb plus Q2, and the work is performed by W, rest is now transferred minus Q1. The overall essential fundamental steps involved to define as that is of efficiency of Carnot engine and symbolized by this, that is of eta. Dear students of BSc Part 2, once again try to understand the efficiency of any system, of anything in the universe cannot be expressed as that is of unity or 100%. It is always less than that is of unity, or it is always less than 100% under two following important two conditions here. The efficiency of Carnot engine can be expressed as that is of unity or 100%. Try to understand the under specific condition by that is of case first, in which the efficiency of heat engine will be equal to that is of unity under specific condition. Suppose when T2 is equal to infinite. When T2 is equal to infinity, then on solving from fourth of the question number 18, T2 eta is equal to T2 minus T1 upon T2 eta, and from that is the fourth of the 18, T2 minus T1 upon T2 is equal to T2 upon T2 minus T1 upon T2. T2 will be cancelled by T2. We have the rest value of unity 1 minus T1 upon T2. Put down the value of T2 as infinite, the rest quantity is equal to eta is equal to 1. Dear student, eta is equal to 1. When we put down the value of T2 is equal to infinite, which is impossible because the temperature of heat source cannot be expressed as that is of infinite. Similarly, next one case we discussed to prove the eta is equal to unity. In the case of second case, when T1 is equal to 0, dear students, I must remember about, I bring to draw your kind immediate notice about T2 and T1 once again. T2 passes the temperature of source and T1 to passes the temperature of sink. Let us put down the value of the temperature of sink. T1 is equal to 0. Again, from 18 of the fourth, eta is equal to T2 upon T2 minus T1 upon T2. T2 will be cut by 1 minus 0 upon 2. T1 is equal to 0. Again, you know here eta to possess the value of unity, which is also impossible because the absolute temperature of the universe cannot be expressed as that is of 0. Once again, dear students of BSc Part 2, I bring to draw your kind immediate notice on two important temperature T2 and T1 by considering here to prove the validity of in which case eta may be expressed as that is of unity. First one, when we assume T2 is equal to infinite, efficiency to express as that is of 1. Similarly, in the case of T1, temperature of is equal to 0 to possess that is of eta is equal to 1. I mean to say on the behalf of the following two conditions here, the efficiency of any system cannot be expressed as that is of unity or 100%. It is always less than unity here. The first example, the illustration I am giving to you, that in any examination, suppose 100 students appearing here, for any examination it is not the possibility to pass all the 100%, definitely either 1 or 2%, either their result will be declared as supplementary or due papers here. So I mean to say efficiency in for any system, for anything cannot be expressed as that is a unity or 100%, it is always less than that is of unity. Dear students, on the behalf of classes in Kelvin, we will define the important postulates of second law of TD tomorrow. Thank you very much.